Good day everyone. For today's video, we are going to conduct an experiment. We are going to test carbohydrates on certain foods that can be located at our kitchen. So without further ado, let's start. Our objective in this experiment is to determine the starch content in each of the food that is available in our kitchen. So we are going to use the iodine solution in order for us to determine the starch content of each food that is in front of you. So without further ado, let's begin. So hello everyone, this is rice, not cooked, cupcake, guava fruit, rice, cooked rice, mango ripe or ripe mango, banana, and bread.
This is the iodine solution that we will going to use. Let's start. Let's put 3 drops of iodine solution to our raw rice or uncooked rice, and we will going to set it aside for 5 minutes. The next one, we will also going to put some small amount of iodine solution to our cupcake, and we're going to set it aside for 5 minutes also. The next one was our guava fruit. Let's put some drops of iodine solution on it and let it set aside for 5 minutes also. The next one was our cooked rice. Let's put some 3 drops of iodine solution on it and let it aside for 5 minutes also. The next one was our mango, ripe mango. The other one was our banana. And lastly, our bread. Let's put some drops of it and let it set aside for 5 minutes also.
After 5 minutes, let's see what is the chemical reaction of the following foods that is being tested with an iodine solution. As we have observed, this cooked rice has turned into dark violet as a sign that there's a lot of starch present in it. If we try to look closely on this bread, we can see or clearly see the violet, which was the iodine solution, as a sign that there is a starch present in it. As we have observed, this guava fruit has no reaction with the iodine solution. We have seen that this cupcake turns into dark violet also as an indication of starch.
We have also observed our raw rice to have some violet colors due to the presence of starch because of the iodine solution.
Same with the banana fruit. It's a sign that there is a less starch content in it. As we have observed, there is no chemical reaction in this mango fruit. So that's all for today's video, guys. Watch out for our next video content, which is the lipid and proteins. Thank you.